Well, sometimes you have to laugh at yourself. What do you mean? Start laughing at myself. Me remember when me did shoot up myself in our primary school.
Damn.
Yeah, that was a time. Me have to laugh at myself now about it.
Damn. How did that happen?
So me did in a 3 grade.
Yeah.
And me did the training. And me just remember like not having to use, me don't want to use the school bathroom.
Right.
So I always say me I go home. And I want to use the bathroom all day now. But me say, yo, me nah about that. But me want to go training. So me say, yo, me nah go, me I got training. And he did have a brother at the back of the school who sell June plum.
Okay.
And Dreddy have the baddest June plum them. So me
do the salt and
yeah, so me get the piece of June plum with Dreddy. And the June plum bad, salt, and mash up the June plum with a patty.
Question.
And then me eat an orange.
Hold on. Before before we get into the meal that clearly made you shit on yourself, right? Before we get into that, I wanted to ask, are you one of the June plum people that bite it through the bag?
Yeah.
I don't know why I felt like you were that person.
Yeah, me not take June plum out of bag. Vicious.
Yeah, right through the plastic.
Vicious.
All right.
Yeah, but Dreddy used to have the baddest June plum. You know the one that will get yellow, the one that will ripe.
Yeah.
And you can put salt in it and spread it around. And one of them there. Me know me want to use the bathroom, you know, but you know, like for that one time they forget.
So you did want to use the bathroom already?
Yeah, but you know them bathroom the way you want to use where it's like you have like you know you can manage it.
Yeah.
Like I said, I'm good.
Yeah.
So that kind of did that happen.
So you already did kind of want to use the bathroom.
Yeah.
And then on top of the wanting to use the bathroom
mash up
feeling.
the June plum.
June plum.
And then when we do the June plum, you'd have a lady, I think Marcia. Marcia used to sell patty. Them time the patty was like $45.
Okay.
I'm going to buy a patty from Marcia, a chicken patty.
Yeah.
So I slap with the chicken patty, I got training.
This is a curry chicken patty.
Yeah. Chicken patty.
I mean, you know, I'm just clarifying what the
slap with
the meal plan is thus far. So belly earth you, put a June plum and a curry chicken patty. What else?
So after I do the chicken patty, I reach now a training.
Yeah.
And I live so close to my yard that I could have go home.
Okay.
But I did that chat. I used to have Beyblade.
Yes.
Beyblade.
Yeah.
So I mess around with the Beyblade them,
Yeah.
and I say, yo, I'm not going. So my coach come.
I did not see you as a Beyblade person. That's
Me never
an interesting thing to do.
Me never buy it. Me teeth it from somebody. Yeah, when I was younger, me did have a teething problem. Me did have a serious teething problem. Though, when me I like $3-4 left nothing around me.
Okay, so you weren't interested in it. You just took somebody else's interest.
Don't left nothing around me when me a tree. Okay. Mine.
All right, cool.
Me I go home with beer phone.
Yeah.
Grandmother carried them go back to school. I said, Dale, come home with this. I mean that.
All right.
You know with it. They'll come home with this, you know. Anybody who for phone this, they'll come home with it. That was
just be going back, bringing back stuff.
A kleptomaniac for no reason.
Judger.
So when we reach Mr. Sanders, my primary school coach, I say, yo, Dale, him give me an orange. Say, vitamin C. so me got training. I mean, just remember we are trained for primary champs. And we are run. And it's like, me make a step, like me I try run fast, like me I try change a gear.
Yeah.
And when me I change the gear, me here,
yeah, man, terrible.
Me I say, whoa. So it's like me stop mid poop. Like me I say, whoa, that one they look like something come out with it. You know them poop the way you feel like something come out with it?
Like that poop that feel too...
Me I say, whoa, that one is smooth.
Yeah, man, that poop that feel extra. But
me I say, that I poop is smooth. So me say, all right then. Play it calm, everything cool.
Yeah.
Because the thing is, from morning when me did I feel a certain type of way,
yeah,
I did always tough.
So
I did always a tough one.
Yeah.
So You know, the tough one, them easier for maintain.
Right.
But,
Okay, you never feel bubbly or nothing.
I never did that bubble.
Okay.
But all of a sudden, Virgin, is like
the June plum and the patty and the orange
it just
juice
my belly just feel, feel solid again. me start realize, say, whoa, that one ya leak wet, that one ya that one ya watery.
I feel like the orange juice and curry chicken patty.
I wouldn't even get extreme enough. So I want him give it. When me start eat the orange, I'm run. Me I say, all right. So me stop. Like literally mid run, me stop.
Damn.
Me stop and me start walk. Cause in my mind, me I said, deal. You don't do this. Everybody there. Don't do this. Cause when we did younger, the girl.
So it's like you didn't know.
Yeah.
It was for sure.
And there was a girl, when we did love her, when we did little, she named Sashina. Sashina did that. I don't know where Sashina is in the world right now. Big up yourself, Sashina, if you're there. But Sashina look for me, and me a hold the shit. And me I say, I can't, God, I gonna make me do this right in front of Sashina. Sashina now gonna see me do this right now. It's unbelievable. So
that's crazy.
So Sashina like, I want to go outside. So it's like Sashina like, I say, Dale, what happened to you? And she walk towards me. I'm just run off.
What's I going to deal with that?
Me just run. And me I hold it. Cause in my mind, me I run got the bathroom.
Yeah.
Run got the bathroom. Me I knock on the bathroom, me hear somebody say, me say, God can't do this to me right now. So me take up my bag and decide to me I run go home. So while me I run go home, remember when you're younger, you're afraid to tell people, say, oh, that you want to do?
Yeah.
So it's like right at the school gate, my friend them walk up to me and start walk with me. And me I said, John, no, I want to walk with left them, but I want number 2 so bad that me can't run no more. So we I walk, and my brother Eric say, what smells so?
Shame. Shame.
my brother Eric say, what smells so? Me I say, me don't know.
Of course.
Brother. You just see one big lump just drop out of my shoes.
No.
I said, damn.
Oh no.
Yeah, me have to run go home.
Did you change schools or?
No, I got school the next day.
So you was just like, yeah man, life. Shit happens.
You see when me not triggered my youth,
yeah,
the probability for me beat you up so high.
Okay.
Like so high.
So nobody couldn't
if you mock me I'll bust your head. Me the dead serious. You can't make no fun night.
So
I remind some people about this right now. When me not triggered, you mad, laugh off of who? I mash you up.
Straight.
Me dead serious. Me I got brother next day me got to school me the pencil in a hand. Me want nobody remind me. About 8 people didn't see. About 8 people see. And the whole day we just go around them for see them and go bring it up. We just go around them.
So you just walking around people looking like Tupac.
We just go around them, go sit down.
Looking like Tupac and Juice.
just for see. If, you know? So me tell my own story now. Nobody can come tell about the time when they do that. You know, me, they do that.
Straight.
I'm proud. Because in our life, you have to learn lessons.
Facts.
Because you see, from that happen, I don't care where me there, how long me there for, the state or the place. If I want to go, I am going. Straight. I don't care where. That is actually a problem right now. That's a problem with me and my woman, you know.
What you mean?
My woman
What you
shame on me, you know.
Why?
Anywhere me them, I use it, you know.
Like restaurant,
outing. Me I drive and pull over, I got Chipotle just for use the bathroom.
So you be stopping and just
If
shit,
me
the
want,
shit
brother.
in people's random restaurants, bro.
If it come to my mind right now, me I pause this and go use the bathroom. Me traumatized from that.
Yeah.
So it will never happen to me ever again.
I mean, that's respectable still.
Ever again. Brother, one day me there taboo at Jamaica. Yeah.
What?
Me never say me use the bathroom at taboo.
You never say you do it.
But here we go. Me there taboo
But
in
you
my
say
mind.
you will do it.
No, me never say me there. How this conversation become about this?
But I know, but
it's funny.
Yeah.
One day me there taboo.
Yeah.
And me now like they with my girl and we are bill. And that day then they run a boat. They run a boat on the site where me used to work for. Not really work, but like hang out.
Yeah.
So we run the boat, and the boat was some soup, mash up some soup, and then me did eat 2 zinger.
Soup and 2 zinger?
Yeah, soup, 2 zinger. But then me drink some eggnog. But me wash it down with some eggnog.
Bro, you eat like you want to shit now. like no meal over here you describe yet. Sound like, yeah man, this I go sit down. You know what I mean? This I go.
Me could not say the word. But yeah, me eat. Brother, me just feel like I wash it down with some eggnog. The eggnog there. Why not drink the eggnog? I love milk in that.
Yo, wash it down with eggnog. It's
brother,
crazy.
me actually tolerant in lactose, you know. Me tolerant in it. Me believe so.
Yeah.
Me definitely not supposed to drink it, but me love it.
Okay.
So, me not
so
like,
you really tolerate it?
Yeah. me just make up my mind, say, milk, bathroom, I don't care. I'm still drinking it. I don't care.
Okay.
So, me wash it down with some eggnog and...
Yo, washing down 2 zinger with that eggnog.
2 zinger.
Crazy dog.
Brother. Tell them, just beat my girl, you know. She said to me, say, I don't think that's right, eh? I said, what you mean? No, man, I'm a good man. Everything all right, man. So, me, say, where I go out, I know I should have used the bathroom, you know. But me, I say, yo, cha, me do this all the time. I'm good.
Yeah.
Because remember now me stop worrying now. Because now, anywhere me them I use the bathroom, I don't care.
Straight. So
me just know, say, yo, if I stop in at the traffic and come out and me car and block the traffic, I'm going to use the bathroom.
Me I go do that.
Okay. If it get to that.
Yeah.
We in a taboo, brother, and music I play and dog. You know when the party like just I go catch a vibe? Brother, party just I go catch a vibe and you ever like in a crowd and want poop yet?
Not really.
Yeah, but like you did like I say Jano, so I walk on one side.
Yeah.
Say me I go poop and me say, when me poop me say, this is not it. This feels like an emergency. So, me not lie. My girl, I enjoy the party. You know? She enjoy the party fully.
Yeah.
Brother, I say, yo, I gotta try use the bathroom. Got the bathroom. I be people in the bathroom. Oh, what go on, yo, you feel them funny in the youth, blah, blah, blah. Me, I say, yo, move, mayday. And all of the stall them full. So me did have to go back. And me not lie. She watch everything in a taboo car. You know, people are saying, yo, look on that. That look cool. She just feel her and just grab her and just say, come! Brother, you know, kind of left a woman at taboo.
Just,
you know what?
You can't
no,
do
me
that.
now go left and come back.
Can't do that.
So I left with her.
Yeah.
Brother, I'm hold on her and drag her out of taboo.
Just ripped her out of the dream.
and shot it, go home, brother. Me literally put the car up on 2-wheel. Just for each home, brother.
It's an emergency.
Brother, me used to drive a Alteza. We used to drive
so
a
you
V6 Alteza.
So you was pressing it.
Stick shift. Manual transmission Alteza. 2003.
Wow.
Fast.
Mm.
Gear. Brother, when me a turn, brother, yes,
Jaja.
brother, you that sweating. Me a rush somebody at the hospital where I got dead.
You didn't, I mean, did you have to go too far? You never have to go too far, right?
At that, me never have to go too far.
Thank God.
I probably drive for about, it was supposed to be like a 15-minute drive. I do it in about 4. I broke every stoplight.
Pressing it.
I broke every stoplight. She asked me, you know, what's wrong? I said, I'm watching it. She couldn't believe it. She couldn't believe it, but it's like so like serious. Like she think I like joke. Like she think I play, me I play. So that now well, enough for that. Moral of the story is me I gotta use the bathroom. I'm in a care what nobody say. Cause me traumatized.
All right. We went off on a tangent. Went off on a crazy tangent.
That's weird still. That weird. But people love the comment and tell me if you don't love the story them or not. Because I feel like them love the story. Now. Like, share, comment, subscribe. The thing is, my youth, the podcast is supposed to be somewhere where you're supposed to can feel at home. We're supposed to can relax and talk.
Straight.
And all that vibe.